Welcome to Dani Hampton Group. Let's get your home ready for stunning professional photography. First things first, declutter and depersonalize your space. Clear away personal items and keep decor neutral so buyers can picture themselves living here. Think of it as the first layer of packing. Box up items you don't need daily. It's a win-win. You get a head start on moving, and your home looks great. Sort through your stuff. If you don't need it, consider donating, selling, or throwing it away. Less clutter means more appeal. Before staging, tackle those visual honey-do items. Fix small repairs, touch up paint, and don't forget the exterior. Tidy up the yard and trim the bushes. These little details can make a big difference. Time to stage. Add some greenery and neutral decor to make each room feel like a model home. A touch of nature goes a long way. Got last-minute clutter? No worries. Hide it in closets, the laundry room, or the garage. These spots won't be photographed. It's like magic. Quick tip: hide trash cans, paper towels, soap, and shower items. They don't photograph well. Trust us, buyers don't need to see your shampoo collection. The day before or the day of photos, our team will reach out to make sure everything's set. Need extra help? We've got you covered. Try to keep your home looking as close to the photos as possible for showings. We know you live there, but buyers will love seeing it at its best. Thanks for watching. For more tips and assistance, contact the Dani Hampton Group. We're here to make your selling experience smooth and successful.